Frosted Glow Nail Art Tutorial by Beetles. From bold hues to subtle tones, this collection offers the perfect balance for every season and occasion, keeping your nails stylish year-round. We would use these color gels in our tutorial. Start with clean nails after applying medium almond nail tips. First, please apply a thin layer of foundation-based gel, then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Apply this color gel on thumb, pinky, and middle finger. Apply this color gel on ring finger and index finger. Cure under a UV lamp for 60 seconds. We need to apply the second layer and cure for another 60 seconds. Apply this color gel to nail tip. Use the gradient brush to create gradient effect. Cure for 60 seconds. Leave some color gel on a clean, empty plate. We can use this 2-in-1 nail art pen to do the painting. Finish the whole hand. Cure for 60 seconds. Top coat makes your nails more durable and glossy. For better color fixation, we need to cure this final layer for up to 60 seconds. Never forget to use cuticle oil after all. It gives a moisturized finish to your nails and also helps them more long-lasting. Well done. Now we are finished. Shop on Beetles Gel Polish Amazon store.